Hey, what's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. A lot of people have been asking me to do a review of this card. It's called Karat. Is it Karat? I guess they're dangling the credit card Karat out there. This is a card for creators. So if you are a creator, I'm not sure, if they gonna, how much of a how much of a following you have to have on their, they have their own little algorithm on based on how many followers you have. I'm going to go through that in a second, but this is interesting. The thing that really kind of caught my attention, number one, is that it's like a card for creators. So that shows there's a lot of money in the market. It's just that these companies are figuring out different ways to monetize and to go after new markets of people. But if you look at this here, these are some well-known creators here, and they're supposedly using the card, hopefully. But what really got my attention, let me tell you, is the rewards. And I'm going to show you in a second that this here, I'm going to really I'm really starting to take this reward stuff serious. There was a time where I was always cashing in my rewards, and I'm going to show you why you may not want to do that because you're going to actually get more money back. But first, you know how I am. I always like to prove that I'm doing something that I'm recommending to people. I don't have this card. Do what I'm going to tell you that you might want to consider doing with your rewards if you are a creator using this type of card. Hold on one second. Okay, so what I have here, this is the what I want to show you as proof. You use points for Amazon for your purchase. Uh, we've been able look at all of these purchases that my wife has been doing, and it's even getting to be more. What I've learned, which you might already know, but I'm kind of late to some stuff, is that you can actually get more for using points with companies than you can with actually taking the cash. Uh, like some of the stuff that my wife has been able to buy, well, I won't say some, all of the things that she's been able to purchase. We would have if we would have taken the cash, we would have gotten less. Uh, if we would have taken the cash, but we just let it sit there, let the point sit there and utilize it on stuff that we want to get for the house or, different. She likes Starbucks. We'll get a Starbucks card. It goes a lot further than taking the cash. And you can see here, look at all of these different things that you can spend money on. You can, uh, it, so creators might spend pay for some ads on Google, Facebook, TikTok, but they're going to also get rewards back on from doing it. I do that also with my American Express card, but you can see here you got auto parts, camera equipment, eBay, dining, cosmetics, gyms, games, gas, groceries. This is real big. I mean, just imagine using your points. You use your points over here to buy stuff here, and then you end up getting money back, and you can go and get usually double what you would get back in cash rewards on groceries. Trust me, I've been able to do that. Clothing, I used it at Nike. I had bought 6 pairs of shorts, and if I would have taken the cash, I had looked at the difference. If I would have took the cash, I would have got half of what I was able to go and get all of the shorts if by just using the rewards points to pay for that. And it has here some other subscription services, all types of stuff. And I think something else that they're using is they're trying to help people that are creators with managing their business. A lot of you've seen it out there where a lot of creators didn't know much about business, and they ended up getting in trouble with not paying taxes and all that type of stuff. And trust me, as a creator, you can get in trouble with that, especially if you don't have a lot of expenses. You're one time buying cameras and maybe some other stuff that you use for your set. But other than that, you're going to pay a high price on the when you're doing your taxes because you don't have that many write-offs. And it looks like they had something. What is this? Access to certified financial planners to help corporate structure, planning, and taxes. There's a lot of stuff. I think that this is a pretty good opportunity here. And then it says here, reinvest in your content, for ad spend, camera, different things that you want to do. No fees. Here we go. Here it says annual fee only zero. American Express Platinum. Yeah, look at that. But the only difference is that I know with my American Express, uh, I have $1.4 million available. I don't know if they're gonna approve people for that high, but it's still good for people that's starting out. Has no interest rate. This here is variable only if you roll over on there. So I don't want to give that a bad name. I don't know what's going on with Chase. Don't have a Chase card. You got interest, no interest. American Express, no interest. You can pay it off. Uh, employee cards, yeah, that's good. Employee cards, you can do that on there. So I don't want to make that look that bad. So let's go here and they had a question and answers. How is Karat better than my other cards? Karat is a design for creators and creative led businesses. Our specialized underwriting has provided 80% more capital to our members. Our rewards include categories not offered by banks, returning more money to the bottom line, and concierge leads the industry in satisfaction scores. Additionally, we offer certified financial planning to help with corporate structure, planning, and taxes. We also host a series of events throughout the year for creators, owners to network, learn, and advance their goals, which is very good. This is a very good specialized card. How do they make their money? They from exchange fees, which are paid to us by the merchants, just like the other companies. Carrot is a Series B wide uh, combinator company backed by Signal Fire, Union Square Ventures, and CRV. Individual investors include Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin, YouTube co-founder Stephen Chin, and Twitter uh, Tik and a TikTok creator-led investors, including 3LAU. And it got Graham Stevens, which is one of the people that you saw up there, which was right here. So he's putting his money into something else here. And here's, did it have Alexandria? Let's see if it had her on here. Uh, yeah, right here. So they're investors also. So they're users and investors. How much does it cost? So they just explain that right there. It doesn't cost anything. Network charge card on which the balance is paid each month. And then it shows you how to apply it. Now let me show you something here. Um, they have this deal called a calculator. So they want you to put your information in here, and then you will get a calculation on how much you'll be able to get. You would fill in your Instagram, your YouTube, your TikTok followers, your Twitch, Twitter, Patreon, Stack, OnlyFans, all of that. You put that in there, and then I guess their algorithm is gonna show you what approval rate you would get for your card. So that's very interesting. So if you are a creator, you can click right there and you can apply for the card. Let me know what they end up getting to you. Let's see here. This I want to make sure of something. They do not check credit. I don't want no credit check. Maybe they're going to do a credit check on the final. Is going to do They do like an appraisal with this. They do like an appraisal. Let's see here. Information purposes, estimated illustration purposes, actual appraisal value may vary. Well, third party not constitute appraisal is subject and should not be relied upon in lieu of underwriting. So they're going to do a credit check in the end, but they're using that to kind of do like an appraisal in a way. What I this is similar to is when they're doing a soft pull. They're gonna actually do like an appraisal. This is a good idea. They're gonna do like an appraisal to kind of let you know what you got, what you could potentially have available for you to be able to get approved for the card. All right, this is very interesting. I just wanted to make this video. Some people have commented, wanting me to make more videos about the cards that are available. In review again, I think this is a good card, and definitely I think it's excellent for the purposes of rewards. There was a time that I didn't really believe too much in rewards, and then I got started using credit cards again, and I was getting cash back rewards, and then I started doing the numbers, and I was like, if we just why don't we just buy things that we need for the house or things that we wanted to get using the rewards, and it ended up uh, being like you're getting double the rewards because when you use the rewards for items, you get a lot more than them giving you cash back. All right. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams with thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website yournumber3scores.com. If you have debt collectors coming after you, make sure you grab my 3-pack of letters, my statute of limitations letter, debt validation letter, and cease and desist collection activities letter. I do ask for a donation when you grab those. It can literally save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and also a lot of save you worry, headache, and anxiety. Thank you for your time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and post your comments.